Forms and templates. Forms are specialized templates that contain variables that will be replaced with personalized data when generating a reminder or textcast alerts. Forms can be found by going into the time text function on the left-hand column. Once in time text, click on Forms at the top of the bar. To create a form, first name your form. Then input the text you want for your form. You may use the variables shown to the right to input the contact's first name, last name, display name, first initial, last initial, email, or phone number just by clicking on that variable. Or you may create your own variables using the format displayed. Please note that when using variables you have created, they must be in the CSV file that is uploaded for the reminder. Click Create Form to finish setting up your form. Templates. Define templates for common responses, set outbound text to customers, clients, or employees to increase consistency and reliability of your message. Templates do not contain variables. Specify groups for each template to make it easy for each agent to see only the templates that apply to them. Templates are available in chats, time texts, textcasts, and more. To create a template, click on the down arrow underneath the user's name and then select Templates. Name your template. Then input the text you want for your template. You must assign a group to the template. This group or groups will have access to this template. Different groups can have different templates. Then click Create Template. Your template has now been created.